Hi. Today is Sunday, the 15th of November 2020, and the time is about 9:10 hours in the morning, and I'm about to make a green juice. Here I have three Kyuri, which I have cut up. Kyuri is Japanese cucumbers, or what in the West people would call cucumbers, because in Asia, cucumbers are a different cultivar. Here I have one key lime, which I have deseeded. I'm going to juice this together with the skin, as you can see. Okay, this the skin and rind. I have two slices of lemon, the last of my lemons, which I'm going to juice together with the skin and lime, and skin and rind. This is the Granny Smith, two Granny Smith, which I'm going to juice as well, and one slice of papaya together with the skin. So you can see the skin there. So what I've done is I've cut them into, diced them to small cubes like this. This prevents it from clogging up in my juicer. So what happens when you cut it like this, any one length or strand of fiber would be at most 1 cm long, and because of that, easier to get through and won't jam up your juicer. Okay, so I'm gonna juice this and see you in a little while for the taste test. Okay, see you next time. Bye.